Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms to help you decide which of these platforms will be a better option and the best option for you in 2025. So to get started with a quick analysis and the review about these two platforms head-to-head. So to get started, Notejoy is all about collaborative note-taking and knowledge sharing. It lets you and your team create, organize, and collaborate on documents together in real time. Whether you are making meetings, agendas, jotting down actions items, or putting together a team knowledge base, Notejoy make it easy to keep everyone on the same page. It's great fit for teams who want a simple, flexible ways to collaborate without needless complexity. Now talking about Meetgeek on the other hand, focus mainly on automating meetings from start to finish. It record meetings, convert them into text, highlight the key point and summaries in actions items, all without you having a lift a fingers. It's perfect for busy people who want to stay up to speed without sitting through every meeting. So if you need a lightweight collaboration tools, Notejoy is a great match. But if you want an automated meetings note and highlight, Meetgeek might be your best option. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and which of these platforms may be your better option. And that's it.